Welcome to math class. Here is your teacher Tashween. My dear kids, today's lecture overview is that we are going to learn number in words 1 till 5. So let's learn number names together. We will find numbers everywhere, my lovely kids. As we know their shapes, now we are going to learn their names together. Look at the numbers and names. Say together. 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. Here is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now look at the number 5. Let's say together. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. Here is the practice sheet to write down numbers and their names. Thank you.